Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Indoor CCTV surveillance security camera. I'll put the specific model numbers in the description for what this applies to, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your camera is not connecting to the Wi-Fi, or if it keeps disconnecting, or it seems to be not responding, a lot of these issues can be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason is if you want to set this camera up on a new network, in a new home or something like that, sometimes it's easier just to get a fresh start by just wiping everything off of it, and we can set it up like it's just coming out of the box. So it's real easy. You will need a paper clip or something like that, and all we're going to do is we're going to have the camera plugged in, and we're going to come and find the reset button, which is this button right here. On the left side we have these vents here, but right in the middle here we have this one hole right here. We're going to press and hold that with our paper clip. Press and hold that reset button for about 10 seconds until the camera beeps. Once it beeps, we can go ahead and release the button, and then just wait for it to finish its reset. Basically, when the camera's LED turns on green, that means the full reset has been done, and you can go ahead and set this camera up like a brand new camera.